Hello, defense aspirants. I am Swati Sheth, a two times recommended candidate for the JAG entry as well as the NCC special entry from Team Alpha Lead Academy. As you all know, we have started a series where we make your lecture preparation for your SSB simpler and more interesting. And in the same fashion, the topic we have chosen for this video will be ASEAN. Now, this is a topic which speaks about an international organization, and in this video, we will tell you how to deal with the topic which includes an international organization. As usual, we will follow the standard format of a lecturate. That is, we start with the introduction or the historical background, followed by the body of the lecturate, where we include the current scenario, the advantages and disadvantages, as well as the challenges and advantages, followed with a conclusion and a personal opinion. When you choose a topic of international organization, the best way to introduce it by giving the full form of the abbreviation. Now here the topic is ASEAN. So in your introduction you say ASEAN stands for the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Then you speak about the historical background of this association. You can mention that it was founded in the year 1967 under the Bangkok Declaration to promote the regional peace and stability. In case of ASEAN, it has 11 members, out of which 10 are original members, plus the Timor-Leste, which was welcomed as the 11th full member in October 2025. Then you speak about the strategic pivot, that is, define ASEAN through the ASEAN centrality, where it is the idea that any security architecture in the Indo-Pacific must have ASEAN at its core. Then you speak something about the 2026 context, where the Philippines holds the ASEAN Chairship 2026 under the theme Navigating Our Future Together. This way, in your introduction, you have to add a few current contexts to make your introduction more effective. Later, you follow it with the body of the lecturate, which has something about the current affair, then more a brief explanation about the topic, as well as the advantages and disadvantages. Now, for the body of the lecturate for ASEAN, you can mention something about India's Act East and the maritime pivot, where from Look East to Act East explain the 2014 evolution, which added the words security and connectivity to the original trade focus. Later, you can explain the year of maritime cooperation, that becomes something from your current affairs, where you can highlight that PM Modi officially designated 2026 as the ASEAN India Year of Maritime Cooperation. Here, you can focus a little on the joint naval exercises, blue economy, and marine resource management. You can also explain these points briefly to show that you have read about this and you know the topic very well. Then you can mention about the connectivity projects which are happening. Under this, the first one would be the India, Myanmar, Thailand trilateral highway. Now you can mention that it is near the operationalization in 2026. Then you can mention something about the UPI diplomacy, where there is integration of India's UPI with Singapore and Malaysia to boost trade and tourism. Under this topic, under the body of the lecture, your pillar 2 can be the security and economic realities. Under this, you can mention the China factor, where you can discuss the South China Sea disputes and also mention China's militarization of artificial islands such as the Parasil and Spratly as a challenge to regional stability. Next, you can mention about the AITIGA review of 2025-26, where you can mention that India is currently fast-tracking the review of ASEAN-India trade in goods agreement to address the $44 billion trade deficit and ensure reciprocal market access. Later, you can move to the security cooperation, where you can mention about the BrahMos export, where you mention the delivery of the BrahMos missiles to the Philippines under the 2024-26 as a sign of India's role as a net security provider. Under this point, you can also mention the exceptional capability of BrahMos, which again shows your knowledge about the indigenous equipments, and you can also mention the names of the other countries which has signed a deal for the export of BrahMos. Then you mentioned the ADMM Plus, where India's active role in the ASEAN Defense Ministers Meeting Plus. All these things will constitute the body of your lecturate, and you have to make sure that you fit this content in the time frame of 2.5 minutes so that you have ample time to conclude along with your personal opinion. Now you can move towards the conclusion where you mention the way forward in this situation. You can mention that the relationship is a comprehensive strategic partnership where India and ASEAN together represent one fourth of the world's population. Then you can tell something about the 3 point roadmap, where the first one would be digital inclusion, that is, sharing India's digital public infrastructure stack with Southeast Asia, followed by the trade resilience, where we have to move toward China plus one supply chains, followed by the Vishwa Bandhu, that is acting as a voice of global south to ensure big power rivalries don't tear ASEAN apart. In this, you can also include the situations where India has helped its neighboring countries to come out of a problem or any other situations. As a closing statement, you can mention that India and ASEAN are not just partners, we are companions in the 21st century, a century that belongs to Asia. Dear aspirants, I hope this video was helpful for you to know how to tackle a lecturate topic of international organization. Along with this, on the screen, we have showed few other international organizations for your ease of preparation. Now, these include the SAARC, that is South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, the G20 and G7, the NATO, the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, the IMF, International Monetary Fund, ILO, International Labour Organization, OPEC, that is the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, SEO, the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, UNO, the United Nations Organization, Quad, a Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, and EAS, East Asia Summit. If you have any other topics that we have missed out, you can comment it in the comment box. I hope this video is helpful for you for your SSB preparation. All the best. Jai Hind.